All right, so somebody called me about this, and we've been seeing some strange surges on Uber. And so that you see, I am on Premier and Excel only. So let's see what happens here. All right, so I'm logged on. This is down around Weston. But when I turn on Uber X, where'd the surge go? Surge is gone. Turn off Uber X just on Excel and Premier. Surge is back. Okay. Let's just turn off Premier. Surge is gone. Let's turn on Premier. Surge is back. Let's turn off Excel. Odd, because they used to never show you the Premier surge if you had on Excel or X. But now, if you turn on X, you won't see the Premier surge. If you turn off X, you see the Premier surge, but it's also on with Excel. I don't know what to make of that.
Now, the only thing I can figure is that X and Excel always surge together, but you never saw the Premier surge if you had on X or XL. Obviously, now XL is showing the Premier surge as well. So maybe X and XL will have their surge, but if you have Premier on, then Excel and Premier will surge. So it's like they kind of grouped those two together, X and XL, and then they're grouping XL and Premier, with the key being XL. And I know a lot of drivers are either on one side of it or the other. So I don't know. I guess we'll see what happens over the weekend. If you guys are seeing this out there, you run your little test, let me know in the comments below. And we'll see how this thing plays out.